안녕하세요, Rochelle입니다. Hey everyone, it's Rochelle, and I'm back again with another unboxing video. Today I'll be unboxing Ateez's first full album, Treasure EP Final, All to Action. So as you know, the album has been out for a while now, but this is the My Music Taste version, so it comes with the exclusive photo cards, and this literally just arrived at my house. There's two versions of the album, A version and Z version, and I have 6 copies to unbox, so let's get to it. So as you can see, these are the two versions of the album, A and Z, and also the My Music Taste versions come with the authentication card, so make sure that when you purchase the album you verify your album authentication so that it helps Ateez on the charts. So we'll first be unboxing version A and then go to version Z. So let's get to it. Open this first. So I've luckily avoided pretty much every album spoiler. I think I only just saw one photo and maybe like 2 photo card photos, which was annoying because I tried to avoid them as well as I could. So here's the front of A version. You can see it's like the other Treasure albums but smaller, so it still has the same similar design but in a different color. And on the back, there's Ateez. I'll actually show you this real quick when I unbox the That's the back of the Z version, so as you can see, they're joined together, but there's no E or Z, so a lot of people think there's going to be like another version coming out to join for them. So. Alright, so open that. Now, Ateez albums are actually usually always pretty hard to open. So you're gonna have to give me a minute, because I heard this one is even harder to open. Okay, I got it. Alright. Alright, so incredible. I can see some photo cards in there. So let's get to opening the first page. Ooh. Just want to make sure. I like the photo cards on the phone now, but I don't want to go to them just yet. Ooh. Oh. Okay, so I'm just gonna sit this down once we look at the photo cards and use John to hold it to this. Okay. So this is the first one. Film card. I believe it's a film card. I'm holding it upside down, oh my god. put it on. Yep. Oh, that's so cool. Like, it actually kind of shows things because of it. Oh my god! Look at this song. Oh my god. That's my favorite hair on him. Oh! The group photo card. These are the photos that I almost have been getting spoiled on because I saw Sungha's one and I was like, what's that from? That's the one I saw. The red lighting looks really, really cool. Oh, it's like the same color as the group photo. Pretty sure. And it's just very similar. Slightly different head tilts. The main stronger photos. 황진수's blue hair color. Sorry. I really like the concept of the album. It's really cool. I can't wait to open Z version as well.
I want you to be make me sure 내 불안을 꺼쳐줘 깜깜아 이 어둠 속에 빛이 보여도 금방 느릿해져 다시 발걸음은 제자리 눈길을 잃고 방황 한 손 잡고서는 놔줘 내 나치판이 속삭이에 맞아
I mean, his hair's so red now. Like, oh my god. Way redder than even these photos. That's my favorite outfit for John for this album. He really uses purple. It's really good. Thank you. And then the last and the back. Alright. So that's a little photos. Now we'll look at the photo, like postcards. Postcards. And the CD. So that's the CD. Stickers. I love how all the albums come with stickers. So cool. Alright, so postcards. Hongjun first. And then the back is the track list. Wow, that design looks really cool. And Sunghwa. Also, my favorite outfit for Sunghwa is this one. He really, really suits it. Track 1. Track 2. Make sure you stream Wonderland. This one. Precious. Track 3. My voice went out. Oh my god. Song. Track 4. 3. Track 5. I really, really like Precious by the way. It's really, really fun. Young. Track 6. Jungho. Track 7. Units. Track 8. Track 9. Sunrise is the best. It's actually written by Hongjun, so make sure you support Sunrise. Very good song. Track 10. And last one. Track 11. Alright, so I'll organize the postcards and then we'll open the Z version. And then once we've done that, then we'll go back through A version and then Z version to see all the photo cards. Alright, so now we're unboxing the Z version. This is the front of Z version. Alright, and then the back. And I already opened this one already, but I haven't looked inside because of how hard it was to open the last one. Alright, so... Ooh. Oh my god! This just flies out, oh my god! I really, really want to be at home doing one, but that's good. At least I have one. Alright. So, we'll start with the photo book. First page. Ooh, that was really cool. I like that they're still like keeping the pirate theme. It's really cool. Even though this is the treasure final, but it's really cool. These outfits, these are actually like my favorite for all of them. Unlike some music shows you've probably seen they're performing in different colored versions, I actually really like the white versions a lot. It looks really cool. All the masks look really pretty though, oh my gosh. I feel like it's skipped again. I don't know, the pages feel really thick in this, so it's kind of like you're not sure if it's one page or two. I wonder what like the material is. Honestly, it looks really cool though. I think it's like mainly just like mesh kind of thing with gemstones, but it looks nice. Drifting off camera. That's a really good photo. I feel like Sun suits this concept most probably. I don't know, it just really suits the image. They all suit it really, really well. Oh, this actually includes two characters. This is more photographs. What's on that one again? What's on the back? Ah, I don't think I should back on that, unless I did. If I did, I forgot. Ooh. Whoa, I haven't seen any of these ones. Oh my god. Oh, oh my god, cool. I don't like these photos. Okay. Oh, I like how they do the kind of like blur though. That looks really cool. I like photos like that. Oh, 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 young. I was like, I swear there should be another photo card. I was worried. Oh my god. I'm so worried about these pages just because they're black. I'm like, oh, I don't want my fingerprints to get on them. So be careful. Trying to be very careful. Oh my god. Oh, and then credits. And thank you. And last page. And then the back. Okay, so stickers and CD. Alright. CD. Stickers. Alright. Oh yeah, I'll hold that upside down. Practice. I just realized it joins to it. Hongjun. Jackie. Yunho. Jeffrey. Jack Paul. San! Why does my voice go out whenever I say San? Oh my god. Track 5. Mingy. Track 6. Wooyoung. Track 7. Jongho. Track 8. And then units. Track 9. Track 10. And last one. Track 11. Alright. Let's organize these real quick and then we will go back to unboxing all the other ones to see what photo cards are inside. Alright, so literally just took forever to open all of these ready. So look at the photo cards. They're really, really hard to open. Oh my god. Oh, got Wooyoung. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh. That was scary. Okay. So I got both Wooyoungs. That's cool. And the group photo card again. And Jongho again. Pretty sure that's the same one. I think I should have that properly. It's rejoined together. So as you can see, there's also another piece missing, which most likely will be in like a repacker as well. Mix it up. Okay. Oh, got Jongho. even home. Last A version. I haven't gotten any of songs. Only real songs. Oh! Instructor. Alright. Oh my god, just as I said that song. Oh, I got another group photo card. Alright, last one. Oh. Okay. Hey! Sound! So I got both sounds. Group photo card. And a different group photo card. Okay, so that's all the photo cards that I got in these albums. I think I did pretty well. Because like, the only one I really got a double of was Jongho. And then obviously the group ones. But otherwise all the other members is just like 1-0, so that's really good. Now I almost forgot there's actual posters. Like this is the first time they've had rolled posters, so I will go get those and then we'll have a look at them. Alright, so here's the posters. There's two versions of the posters, one for each version of the album. Oh, hold on. It's actually quite hard to get in camera, but that is that version, which I'm obviously presuming is version Z. This is the first time they actually have Ateez posters this big. Usually they are these small folded ones in the album. Actually, I'll zoom in so you can see each member properly. Alright, so now we'll look at A version. No, oh my god, stay. Alright. And that's A version. Actually, I really like this one. I like both though. But these concept photos, oh my god. These outfits from this concept photo are my favorite. Alright, cool. Did I get 모양은? There you go. Alright, so that is the poster. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video. Make sure you please subscribe and click like. Thanks heaps for watching. If you like this video and you'd like to see more videos, I have lots more unboxing videos like this and other Ateez content. So make sure you stream Wonderland and support this comeback because Ateez really deserve another win, especially their first win for this album, their first full album. And if you haven't ordered the album already, make sure you do. As you can see, it's really good and all the songs are absolutely amazing. Make sure you do really support Ateez for this comeback. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. Bye. 안녕.
채워 넘쳐를 듯이